Hi, I'm Marisa Smith. I am here to talk to you about the talent and hiring team here at Xometry. The types of people that thrive at Xometry are confident, creative, and proactive problem solvers that really care about Xometry's mission. The reason why someone should consider Xometry is it's such an interesting organization. We're a growing company and we are literally working in every industry in the world, be it aerospace, automotive, medical. So if you thrive in somewhere that's fast-paced and a growing company, this is the place for you. What it's like working in the talent acquisition department, first and foremost, we're strategic business partners. We work across the business, every single division, be it marketing, product and tech, G&A, operations. We are working with all business leaders across to bring in top talent to help push our values and mission forward. Every summer, we do a summer internship here in the US. It's a 10-week program and it's actually across all divisions as well. We end the internship with a Shark Tank presentation actually to many of our C-levels. Last year, our CTPO, our president, as well as our CMO watched all of these presentations, and it really is new ideas for the company, as well as maybe acquisitions that we could potentially do. So great ideas across. Follow us to learn more about career opportunities here at Xometry.